Chapter 8, knowing your heart's desires. How do you know your heart's desires, and what impact does that have on a fulfilling life?
So how do you know your heart's desires? It's like, I was reading somewhere before, like, the heart's desires, if I want to be worth $500 million, right? What's behind that? Is that a heartfelt desire? Or if I want to be the best parent I can be, I want to bring my children up, there's a desire of the heart, some people might argue or say $500 million is a heart's desire. I don't know, but what's in your heart? So the way I determine, what's in my heart is when I feel, I use that term, the humming in your heart, and like the tuning fork. And when you feel that humming in your heart, there's something good there. You got to feel, and the hard part is, the book is about awareness, is becoming aware of what makes your heart hum. And that can be tough at first, but once you start recognizing it over and over, it becomes easier to recognize later. So if I'm talking to Mike Gandolfo and I'm talking about, say, like, I don't like dancing, right? And I don't have a high level of energy during that conversation. But then me and Mike start talking about personal growth, the level inside of me rises, and I feel that, right? And I feel it, and I have to be able to recognize that. And when I recognize there's a topic that gets me excited, there's something to that, and it's something, there's that humming that's going on, and it's raising that level of energy, and that's kind of where that there's a desire of the heart there.